Hey, Jesus.
He's not walking on water. He was a midget. God wasn't a midget, was he?
Jesus was a midget, bro. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Hey, Jesus! Jesus!
Jesus was a midget.
Hey, midget, Jesus! Jesus! Look at him.
Holy crap.
He can't hear
Call
us.
to him.
Hey, baby, Jesus!
Hello, I'm Daddy. Hello, I'm a baby rabbit.
What kind of video? What's the next video called?
Charles's next video is pinching people's dog's balls.
Pinching dogs.
Pinching balls. And here's one of them.
Pinching dogs' balls.
Squeeze the life out of it. And then you set the dog up like it's like alive. Hey, Elliot, put your finger in the dog's butt. Dude, you get so many views. Do it, dude. No, I said you.
Stop it. Stop the don't holler me in a rest. There's nothing wrong with that.
Hey, Chris.
What are you doing? Do not yell at her. She is bad. I've been told that all my life. You're a bad and you should be ashamed of yourself. You're a bad.
You're a bad.
Butter and extra butter, please.
Butter and
Yes, please.
I'll have butter with a side of butter. Help me out!
She likes the green grass on her shoes. But keeps she loose, she's gonna get arrested. That else.
Holy crap, that was so funny. Oh, he got crushed. Oh man. I'll say, I'll go back in Target, like, excuse me, my car just got crushed. Can I return it, please? What was that? Oh, that was so freaking funny. Holy crap. What we have here, folks, is a nice earthworm.
Hakuna Matata. Wow. Delicious. Like that much, huh?
I don't want it crawling back up my throat.
Crawling back up my throat. Oh! Power slide. The freaking gas makes it slippery.
Who that is?
That's who that is.
Cute baby.
Sure would be a shame.
What?
I don't know, just saying that and then imagining the rest.
That's cute baby. Sure would be a shame. What does that even mean?
Now he thinks I'm tripping out because
Oh, that's fine.
somebody should have seen it.
Somebody should have seen how funny I've been being. Oh man, that's funny. I'm just so cool, dude. When I laugh, I even laugh cool. Still hold hands when you go separate.
Stay right there. Don't move. Don't move.
Sorry.
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning. Hey, sir. Top of the morning. It's disrespectful. It's disrespectful to put mine down first. Top of the morning.
This is a battle of good mornings.
I'm not gonna put mine on so you put yours on. Oh, there you go.
And the rest of the day to you. Boom, 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 boom. That was so freaking hilarious. I really hope you can see that, dude. That was so funny. This lady looks like Darth Vader. Good Lord. Everywhere she walks, that's the music that plays. Boom, 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 boom.
Bum bum
Boom, 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 boom,
bum bum.
boom, boom, boom.
That's her horn. Bum 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 bum.
In traffic, she presses her horn. Bum, 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 bum.
Bum? Bum?
Bum?
Mom?